NewEgg.com is a major retailer that has expanded from its niche in electronics into a wider variety of categories. NewEgg is popular for its product catalog and customer service. Sellercloud integrates with NewEgg's marketplace to give you access to millions of shoppers. The NewEgg API integration allows you to create listings directly through Sellercloud. First, you need to contact Sellercloud support to ensure that the required NewEgg API backend settings are enabled for your account. Once you're done, you will need to obtain an API secret key from your NewEgg seller account. You will also need to authorize Sellercloud as a service provider in NewEgg. Once you do this, you should see the secret key populate on that page. Then go back to Sellercloud settings. Go to Settings and choose Companies. Click Manage Companies and select your company. Go into the toolbox. Select NewEgg.com, go to General Settings, and click Edit. Enter the secret key into the API secret key field and fill out your NewEgg merchant ID and click Save. Go into the Actions menu and click on Test API Credentials. Confirm the credentials have been verified successfully, and check the NewEgg enabled box. If you plan to sell worldwide, select Enable International Listings and click Save. Check Enable Inventory Upload, Enable Order Download, and Enable Fulfillment Upload only when you are sure your inventory is prepared for listing and you are ready to download orders. When you integrate NewEgg with Sellercloud, you can also manage shipping destinations and set different prices for each destination. Go into the toolbox, and select NewEgg.com. Select Shipping Destinations and click Edit. Choose the destinations and click Save. To manage the NewEgg prices of your products, go to your catalog and select your products. Select NewEgg.com properties from the toolbox. Go into the Actions menu and select Manage International Prices. Set prices for the selected shipping destinations and save your selection. Click Save.